Good morning everyone. In today's class we are going to solve a simple sum in measurements where they have given the area of a trapezium is 1586 square centimeter. So they have given the area of trapezium and the distance between its parallel side is 26 centimeters. So the distance between its parallel sides means the dotted lines, right? So the height. So they have given the question height is 26 centimeter. And if one of the parallel side is 84 centimeter, they have given the one side of the trapezium, that is 84 centimeter. We can assume it as A. Then find the other side. So they have said to find the B. Okay, I am going to draw and show. I am going to draw a trapezium. So one side I am going to assume this as A. So they have given A is what? 84 centimeter. One of the parallel side. So I am going to assume one of the parallel side is 84. So A is what? 84 centimeter. And if one of the parallel side is 84, that is A, and then find the other side means they have said to find the other side, that is B. We want to find what is B. And the distance between its parallel side is 26 centimeter. So the distance here, dotted line, that is H is equal to what? 26 centimeter they have given. The next step, we have to write the given. So what all they have given? One of the parallel sides. So one parallel side, that is what? A. A is equal to 84 centimeter and we have to find B is equal to question mark. Then height is equal to what? 26 centimeter. And area of trapezium is equal to what? We know the formula, right? Half into H into height into A plus B square unit. So the next step is area of trapezium, we know 1586. So 1586 is equal to half into, we know height. Height is 26 into, and we know A. So A is 84 plus we have to keep B as such because we want to find what is B. Okay. Then the next step, 1586 is equal to 2. I am going to cancel 1 times and 26 as 13. So 13 into 84 plus B. I am going to bring 13 this side. So that 1586 divided by 13 is equal to 84 plus B. I am going to cancel 13 as 1 times and 1586 as 122 times. So that 84 plus B is equal to 122. I am going to keep the next step B as such and bring 84 that side. So 122 minus 84. Next step, B is equal to 122 minus 84, how much? 38. Therefore, the other side B is equal to 38 centimeter. So we have found what is B. Right? So B here 38 centimeter, that is the other side.